Let's look at this question. A particle moving in a straight line passes through a fixed point of O with velocity of v meter per second. T second after passing through O is given by velocity equivalent to 50 over 3t plus 2 to the power of 2. Okay, so what is the velocity, of the particle when it passes through O? The keyword is t second after passing through O, which means that this is referring to when t is equivalent to 0, because the t start counting. So hence, for part A, velocity when t equals to 0 will be 50 divided by 3 times with 0 plus 2 to the power of 2. Hence, the answer will be 12.5 meter per second. Moving on to next, find the value of t when the velocity is equivalent to 0.125. So when the velocity is equal to 0.125, you have 0.125 equivalent to 50 divided by 3t plus 2 to the power of 2. Moving on to next, simplify this equation to find t. So we will have 3t plus 2 to the power of 2 equivalent to 50 divided by 0.125. Continue. 3t will be equivalent to, bringing the square to the other side, it will become square root of this whole thing, and then minus 2. Right? Lastly, t will be equivalent to this whole equation divided by 3. Putting all the values in calculator will lead you to the answer, which is 6. Hence, t is equivalent to 6 seconds. The last part of the question is actually asking you to find the acceleration of the particle when t is equivalent to 1. Alright, to get the acceleration, you need to differentiate the equation of v. So for part C, to get acceleration, you need to differentiate the velocity equation. Your velocity equation is v equivalent to 50 over 3t plus 2 to the power of 2. To differentiate this equation, you can write it as equivalent to v 50 times with 3t plus 2 to the power of negative 2. This will help you to differentiate the equation much easily. Alright, so A equivalent to dv over dt, where differentiate will be bring the power down, so getting negative 100 times with 3t plus 2 to the power of negative 3, plus times with differentiate 3t plus 2 giving you 3. Hence, your answer will be equivalent to negative 300 divided by 3t plus 2 to the power of 3. When t is equivalent to 1, acceleration will be equivalent to negative 300 divided by 3 times 1 equals to 3 plus 2 to the power of 3. Hence, putting all the values in your calculator, you will be able to get negative 2.4. That is your acceleration. We have done with this question.